So I'm gonna be showing you around. Look, they have like a huge setup for sitting, and there's a lot of seating space. And as you guys know, the restrictions and everything has been uplifted, and you guys can, sit and enjoy the fresh food here. And I really like the setup, mashallah. It's different, and this is the first time I saw these type of chairs, man.
Yeah, it's a good setup they have, good ambiance.
And you can check out their menu, and they have a nice little oven for Italian pizzas.
Let's
So
go, brother.
check it out.
Show us around.
So as you guys can see, this is their menu, inshallah.
It's a little,
Brother Bakir
wow.
making the Italian pizzas.
Brother Bakir, you also make Italian pizzas, man.
That's right.
You have an amazing
Halal
setup here.
Italian pizzas.
Okay, brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I have the owner of Saltyz Grill with me, Brother Bakir. Saltyz Burgers and Subs. So, Brother Bakir, Assalamu alaikum, how are you? Good. So, how long you've been here?
A little bit over a year now, a year and a half almost.
So, how did you come up with this concept, Saltyz, and what's the ideology behind this name?
So Saltyz is salt, so anything that's savory. So here we have burgers, subs, we have pizzas, anything but sweets.
Oh, but sweet. Okay, but sweet. And what are you proud of because of your recipe? Is it the burgers? Is it the style?
Yeah.
What is it?
So we like to have like fancy, higher version burgers, high quality halal meat. So I created this burger spot at a considerable price. That's a little bit more affordable, but you get very high quality. Halal is gonna serve the community and everybody.
I see on your menu you have a Lebanese burger. So does it
That's
have
right.
some Lebanese touch on it, or?
It does. So my background, I'm Lebanese American. I used to live in the States for about 16 years.
Then you can make good burgers.
So this
States.
is a hybrid of my background, the Lebanese/American style.
But you're in Toronto now, mashallah. Where do you get your meat and chicken from?
So our meat is 100% halal. Everything is hand slaughtered. We get our meat from Sergeant Farms only, and then the
Chicken
chicken.
from- yeah.
That's right. And then the meat is St. Helens and Solmaz, and that's pretty much it. We try to stick to HMA, and we do that 100%.
Mashallah. So we look forward and can't wait to try it
Awesome.
out.
Thank you
Let's
so
go.
much, guys.
Thank you so
Awesome.
much. Okay, brothers and sisters, Saltyz Grill. You're gonna get some amazing Eid promo and last days of Ramadan promo, inshallah, for Futur and an Eid Dawah. So this is their special chicken fajita sandwich, and see, this is their Lebanese, right? So they have their own style of bread. Salman's gonna show you his burger soon, but we have Abdurrahman today, our new guest. Abdurrahman is Salman's brother. Assalamu alaikum, Abdurrahman bhai. How are you, man? Props, man. What's going on? So the Rahman Bhai is going to try this Lebanese burger today. We're going to start off with our guest today. So the Rahman Bhai, go ahead, man. It's all yours. This is a Lebanese burger you're trying.
Yep. Very hefty, mashallah.
I hope you don't say second bite like Salman. This needs a second bite. Oh.
Wow, that's really good.
Are you copying your brother?
No.
Same. It's
No.
really good.
You want me to give a rating?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah?
Go ahead.
I'm gonna give it 8.5.
Wow.
Yeah.
Rahman passed it, man. Okay, I'll try this there chicken Philly. Fajita. Fajita. Bismillah. So, Sulaiman Abdul Rahman ordered their burgers. I wanted to get something in subs. So they have subs also. They have many different kinds of subs. This is like the halal or the best way to get like a Subway sandwich. You want to crave for like a sandwich, a proper sub? Come here. Nice crispy hot bread. Look, you can feel that crispiness. Nice crispy bread they have here. So it's very, I like it. I would have it like every day for iftar or Eid day. This will be an amazing meal. Salman bhai, why do you always get to have like good stuff, man?
I'm gonna be trying their Saltyz fries first, inshallah. So they have fries, they're crispy fries, and then they have some white sauce and then cheese, and then they have these caramelized onions on top. So let me give it a try, inshallah. You gotta have the second bite with everything in it, you know?
Abdul Rahman, look at him, man. Second bite. What's up with him and second bite?
Mashallah, it's nice and it's different. This is the first time I had caramelized onions on top of fries.
Is it only onions? I thought
No.
this was like some meat also.
No. It's caramelized onions.
Whoa. I thought it was like
Tastes
Looks
different.
like me.
pulled meat. Yeah,
It tastes
wow.
different.
That's amazing. That's amazing. That's flavorful. Looks flavorful.
Now I'm gonna be trying their Saltyz burger. It's, I think, one of the best sellers in their store. This also has caramelized onions in it. Let's go, inshallah.
And it's like a double patty, bro. The bread looks very crunchy. The bun.
This deserves a second bite for sure. It's amazing, mashallah.
Killing it, Salman today.
Mashallah, the beef patties are, nice, fresh and juicy. And the caramelized onions, they give it like a, different and mashallah amazing taste. So I highly recommend you guys to come and try it out, inshallah.
Okay guys, this is what you wait for. The special, amazing, super promo. Especially this beautiful moment, these beautiful days coming up for Eid, inshallah. You come here using our promo code mentioned here. You will get 15% off their menu. You buy anything from their menu, you buy the burgers, you buy the pizza, which are amazing. And enjoy the day, enjoy Eid. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy. Eid Mubarak. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.